Chapter 5.2 Creating Game Loop Using While Loop. 2. How to break while loop.
Can I terminate the while loop?
You can terminate the while loop using the break statement. The break statement can terminate the current loop and resumes execution at the next statement. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
The loop starts with I equals 0, and when I equals 3, the break statement terminates the loop and resumes execution at the next statement. Let's run this code. 3 aliens are drawn in the window.